Well, here, let's try a marker.
Because the board's wet.
Yeah, it's wet. Heavy, too. Okay, this is a 2 by 12 by 16 foot board. I just cut a little bit off of it. It's wet, and I'm going to show you how you can put that up by yourself if you don't have a helper. Okay, what you see there is I made some helping hands. Just took some scrap 2x4s and I screwed them to the post. And when I lay that board up there, it's like a little helper holding it. And then right here, this one, I just set it on top of there. Now I'm free to nail it, screw it, whatever I want to do. Just wanted to share that with you. Okay, the way I level these up here, trying to get this level with the other board, is you just use a Wonder Bar. If you don't have one of these, they're great. You just stick that under there like that, pry against this, and this lifts this up, and then you can put a nail in over here and it'll hold it. And it's really an easy way to do it.